in, out of the car. Well, it kind of depends on how much is attached. If not much is attached, you can do it quicker, like I'm about to. Battery's out. Fuel on return is off. Fuel on supply is off. Tank breather is off. Brakes are off. Vacuum is off. Undo some wiring. Body earth. Engine harness. Power. Start line. Heater core 1 and 2. That's 2 pipes. Intake hose. Airflow meter. Air temp sensor. Communication plug on the front. Next we've got wiring inside the car. Should have left the light in there. Pull it through the firewall. Wait. Accidentally pulled an extra wire through. Okay. Undercar. Coming up next, men's floor. Ladies, footwear. And then one eternity later. So we're just going to do the transmission mounts. Better if I have the right socket. And to the front engine crossbar. Pretty much ready to come out now. put a dolly or trolley underneath the engine, and we're going to undo the cross member and take it out. So how long did you think this was going to take? You can put your comments in the comments section. $1. Yeah, like So how long did you think it was going to take me? I honestly thought it would be about 5 minutes. But hey, who would have known it would be 7? Thanks, ladies and gentlemen.